Welcome back to my channel Bike Rider. Today the Airbus A300 is a landmark aircraft in aviation history, being the world's first twin-engine wide-body airliner. Although the A300 was originally launched in the early 1970s and officially retired from production in 2007, as of 2025, it still plays a role in certain niche sectors, particularly in cargo and freight services. The aircraft is no longer produced, but many continue to operate around the world due to their reliability, robust design, and suitability for specific missions, especially by logistics companies such as FedEx and UPS. Historical significance. The Airbus A300 was the first aircraft produced by Airbus, a European aerospace consortium that aimed to compete with American manufacturers like Boeing and McDonnell Douglas. The A300's maiden flight was in October 1972, and it entered service in 1974 with Air France. Its development marked a turning point for the aviation industry. It was the first wide-body aircraft with only two engines, which significantly reduced operating costs while maintaining range and capacity. This innovation helped Airbus gain credibility and laid the foundation for future aircraft like the A310, A330, and A340. Design and features. The A300 typically seats between 250 to 300 passengers, depending on the configuration. It features a twin-aisle cabin, offering more space and comfort compared to single-aisle aircraft. Its two high-bypass turbofan engines, originally from manufacturers such as General Electric, Pratt & Whitney, or Rolls-Royce, provide efficient thrust, and the aircraft was designed with short to medium haul routes in mind. A notable technical innovation of the A300 was its use of advanced materials for its time, including composites, which contributed to reduced weight and increased efficiency. Additionally, it featured the first use of high-lift devices such as Kruger flaps and slats, improving its low-speed handling during takeoff and landing. Modern usage in 2025. While the A300 is no longer in production and is not used in commercial passenger service by major airlines, a number of them remain in operation as freighter aircraft. As of 2025, companies like FedEx, UPS, and DHL continue to rely on A300s for their cargo networks. These aircraft are valued for their large fuselage cross-section and the ability to carry substantial cargo loads over moderate distances economically. The A300's wide fuselage allows for standard cargo pallets and containers to be easily loaded and transported. This makes it especially useful in logistics networks where route distances align well with the aircraft's range and where the volume of cargo justifies a wide-body aircraft. Many operators have retrofitted their A300s with updated avionics, navigation systems, and even cockpit glass displays to extend their service life and comply with modern airspace regulations. Safety and performance. The A300 has a solid safety record over its decades of operation. It has benefited from multiple design iterations and updates, particularly in terms of flight control systems and structural reinforcements. Although some high-profile incidents involved the A300, these were typically attributed to external factors rather than any design flaw. Performance-wise, the A300 has a maximum range of around 4,070 nautical miles, 7,540 kilometers, depending on the variant. Its cruising speed is about Mach 0.82, approximately 870 kilometers per hour, and it has a maximum takeoff weight (MTOW) in the range of 165 to 171 metric tons. Legacy and influence. The A300 laid the groundwork for Airbus's success. It proved that wide-body aircraft could operate efficiently with just two engines, an idea that later influenced aircraft like the Boeing 767 and Airbus A330. The A300 also helped to internationalize aircraft production, with different parts manufactured in various European countries, a model that Airbus continues to use today. In conclusion, even in 2025, the Airbus A300 remains relevant in specialized roles, especially in cargo operations. Its legacy continues not just in the skies, but in the continued evolution of efficient, wide-body aircraft design.